If there's one thing I'm always telling business owners, it's that you have to build your email list. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my strategy for fast freebies. These are quick and easy freebies that you can create to build your email list, which ultimately leads to a closer, tight-knit community and more sales of your products, no matter what you're selling. So I think that in 2025, it is a great strategy to have simple, hyper-specific freebies and to have multiple. You don't need to feel like you only have one freebie that you are driving all your traffic to. You can create content and then have a corresponding fast freebie alongside that. This is going to give you way more opportunities to build your list. So the foundation of this strategy is that you are going to give away something valuable for free in exchange for an email address. So the first type of fast freebie you can create is a Google Doc. All you need to do is go to Google Docs. You're going to create a blank document, and here you can create any type of freebie that you want. This could be an overview of a particular tactic or strategy. This could be a checklist, but it's really quick and easy to come in here and just add your information to your Google Doc. Remember, this does not have to be 10 pages long. A simple one-page valuable doc that will help someone achieve the outcome that you're talking about in your content is fantastic. So I'm going to come in here. When it comes to sharing it, what's important is your share settings. So you want to go to share, and then you're going to change this from restricted so that anyone with the link can view this, okay? You do not want it to be on editor. You want it to be on view. Now you're going to copy this link and open it in a new tab. But instead of just sharing this link as is, if you remove this part at the end where it says edit USP equals sharing, you can remove that, change this to copy. If I share that, what that will do is that will prompt someone to make their own copy of this document. Super convenient. Then all they need to do is click make a copy. Now they have their own and they can go ahead and use that. The next freebie you could create is in Canva. Canva is just the best tool ever. I use it for literally every single graphic that I need to create in my business. So when you come in here, you can go ahead and search any type of freebie that you want to create. So for example, let's say that I wanted to create a checklist. I can go ahead, type that in, search for checklist. And then if I go down here, you'll see all these different templates that I can use as a starting point. So this is if you want to create something that is really branded, okay? So the Google Doc is quick, simple, but if you want to add more to it or create something that might be a bit more complex when it comes to the graphics required, then you can use Canva. So let's say that I loved this design. Awesome. I'm just going to click on that. I'm going to move myself out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to click customize this template. I'm going to open that up, and then I can just click on each element and I can customize it for my business. So for example, business checklist. And then even with any element like the photos here, I can just go to elements. Let's grab a photo of a laptop, go over to photos, drag that in, and now it's more business related. Okay, so I just want to show you that in terms of like how quickly and easy it is to change the text. And then you're just going to come in here, double click, and add in your checklist items. So it's pretty amazing in that way. Now that's a checklist. Let's say that you wanted to include a calendar. You want to share a project plan with your clients. So I'm going to type calendar in, and then you'll see all these different options that I could choose from. And the list goes on. So whatever type of freebie you can think of, I bet you that you could find a template that you can use as a starting point within Canva. Okay, now once you've customized it for your business, you're just going to click share, download, and you're going to download this as a PDF. So I always just do PDF standard, hit download, and then you're done, and somebody can go ahead and print that out. Now, if you wanted somebody to be able to like click on each of these little bullets and be able to fill it in like a checklist, then you need one extra tool. That's called DocFly, but this adds an extra step, so you don't always have to do that. But in case you're wondering, you can do that through DocFly, and you can turn this into an editable checklist. The next freebie you could give away is a very simple and quick training. So for this, I highly recommend that you use the tool Descript. So that is this tool right here, and you're going to record your screen. Now, I just did a full training on this, so I will also link to that video down below so you can know how to use this. But the point is that anytime you are doing something that would be helpful to others in your business, you could just go ahead, do a quick screen recording and share that as a freebie. So for example, I'm going to click record and edit. I'm going to choose the part of my screen that I want to edit, hit start recording. Okay, and that is a freebie I could offer. I could do a freebie where I'm showing someone real quick how to create a checklist in Canva, right? So I'm going to be talking, explaining what I'm doing. This can be something, this can be a 5-minute training, a 10-minute training, something really nice and simple. So I'm going to be going through, explaining exactly what I'm doing. Then I hit stop. I now have my training. Then all I need to do to share this out is click publish. Share the web link. You can change the resolution right over here. Hit publish or update. Then you're going to click this link right here. That's going to copy a link, and you're just going to share that out as your freebie. So if I open that up, this is exactly what it looks like, and you can customize this page. For example, if you don't want the transcript to show up, it doesn't have to. And my next one for you is a simple audio recording. So yes, I showed you how to use Descript for your screen recording, but you can also use it for an audio file. All you need to do is click on the D, and then what I would do is turn off your camera, okay? And just keep it on display screen for now, but you don't have to actually display something. So now I'm just gonna click record and edit, hit the space bar, and I'm just gonna record my full screen. Don't worry, we're not using this. And then you are just going to record your voice. So I can see this being really great for those of you that could offer something like a meditation or a private podcast or just something where you are shifting someone's beliefs. When I'm done, I'm just gonna go over here. I'm going to hit this icon right here to stop that. To share this out, all I need to do is go publish. And this time I'm going to export it as audio only. Then I'm going to click export. Then that's going to provide you with a file that you can go ahead and share out. Nice, simple, quick. We don't have to overcomplicate this. We can just provide helpful resources and at the same time grow our lists. Okay, so now how are you actually going to deliver this? There are just 3 components that you need, and don't worry, it is simpler than it seems. Number 1, you need a landing page with a sign-up form. So the landing page has the details of your freebie, and this is where someone is going to enter in their name and email address in order to get it. Second, you need a thank you page or confirmation message that confirms that someone has signed up. And third, you need an email to deliver that freebie in an automated way. Now, for the tech of this, there are all different tools that you can use. If you are just getting started, a great beginner option is called Kit. And they actually have a free plan where you can get started and you can do this. Or if you already know that you are going to venture into the world of coaching, courses, and digital products, then you can use one of my 2 favorite softwares, Kartra or Kajabi. With all of these softwares, you can do those 3 steps that I mentioned: create your landing page, your thank you page, and your email delivering your freebie. If you'd like me to do a more in-depth training on any of those, please let me know in the comments down below. So that's my strategy for creating fast freebies. I hope that this helps you build your email list and make more sales of your products. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you real soon with another video. Bye.